Also in the hadith of Tamim ibn Aus Ad-Dari, when he was with some other people in a ship, then they got lost in the sea, in the ocean. The wind took him right and left to the deep sea. They lost their way back. They ended up on an island. They went down to that island and they saw the imposter Ad-Dajjal. Because Ad-Dajjal is alive. He's been alive for a long period of time. He was before Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The angels chained him with chains, and he won't be able to break these chains before the time designated for his emergence. So they saw him, and he started asking them questions. Among the questions that he asked, because he knows the Arabic language as well, he asked them, did such and such happen? Did such and such happen? Until he said, did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam emerge? Did he receive the revelation? Because he knows that this Arab prophet, at the end of the time, the seal of the prophets will emerge, and his emergence is a sign, a close sign for his emergence, for Ad-Dajjal's emergence. So he wanted to know if Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born and received the revelation. When he knew that the Prophet was born and he already received the revelation, he knew that his time is very close, and that was 1400 years ago.